I was like, oh my gosh, all the clients can just come here. We normally have our clients come directly to the room that we're going to have our meeting in. But the lobby is always open. It's for whomever. We have a embedded booking tab right here that'll take you to our booking page inside of here.
How great GoBrunch is for anybody who has a community. It's, I know that it's one of the reasons that people who join my community stay.
I don't want it to be like a website, but I want it to replace a website.
I think I collaborate better in this business than I have ever in any kind of work environment, to be honest. We can chat in GoBrunch, we can share in GoBrunch, and you can make it as very customizable as you would like.
Right? So for people who come to these spaces who want to work with someone like me, as soon as they come in here, they're like, hey, girl, I'm about what you're about. We align. This is cool.
From workshops to masterminds to every single room I have, the mission and vision is different.
And lets them, see the journey. So there's a lot of ways to leverage GoBrunch beyond business, beyond your professional side.
So I create these environments, which is one of the things that sold me on GoBrunch, is that I could create literal environments from my books so that I could give my readers another experience, to give them more immersive experiences with my books.
And so we set up this little cafe. We set up different booths so that people, if they wanted to talk privately, they could go into a private booth and sat and talked privately afterwards, which was really nice.
So you've got two big circles, me and my guest. And what is wonderful about this that you can't really get on other platforms. Zoom, obviously, you can get the two squares and everyone else that they're there. But this is wonderful because you've got the two circles, you've got yourself and your guest speaker. But this is what I like about it. What a lovely privilege it is for invitation for certain people. And you set an amount of people that can be invited, and that's it. So it's kind of like that feeling of, that, oh wow, I'm a VIP, I've managed to get into this room with this guest speaker.
So with using GoBrunch, I can stay home and have a whole lot less of gas for driving and still be helpful at doing volunteer work and sales.
And that's really fantastic. It's such a fun to create these rooms and these spaces. And for the people, they have their freedom to choose their own rooms and to work there and come back. And when they're used to it, it really works fantastic.
And the possibilities are endless for how you can set this up within your communities.